In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know what was bought on my wishlist Amazon. If you use Amazon wishlists to plan purchases or share gift ideas, being able to see what's already been bought helps you avoid duplicates and keep track of gifts. Let's walk through it clearly so you can check that information in just a few clicks. First, go to www.amazon.com in your browser. For the most accurate results, make sure you're signed in to the correct Amazon account, especially if you manage more than one. If you're helping someone else, they'll need to be signed into their own account to view their lists. Next, click on Account and Lists at the top of the page. On desktop, you can hover to open the menu, and then click. On mobile, you may need to tap it to expand the options. This is the hub where Amazon keeps your orders, recommendations, and, most importantly for today, your lists. Now click on your lists. This takes you to the page that houses all your wish lists, idea lists, and registries. It's different from your orders. Your orders shows what you personally purchased, while your lists focuses on items you've saved and how they're being fulfilled. Select a list. If you have several, pick the specific wish list you want to review, the one you've shared with friends and family, or the list you use to track future purchases. Opening the correct list matters, because each list has its own purchase view and settings. Inside the list, look for the small drop-down arrow near the top of the list view. Depending on your layout, it may appear next to Filter, or a label, like Default View. Clicking that arrow reveals options that control which items are displayed. From that menu, select Purchased. The list will refresh to show only items that have been bought from this wish list. You'll typically see indicators such as purchased or a purchased quantity. Keep in mind that buyer names and addresses are not shown by default for privacy, and some gift purchases may display limited details. If you don't see anything under purchased, it likely means no one has bought from that list yet, or you're viewing the wrong list. You can switch back to All Items or Unpurchased from the same menu whenever you need a broader view. If someone just bought an item, give it a little time to update and refresh the page. Also note that items marked as purchased may still be in transit, so coordination is easiest when you keep your list details clear, like preferred sizes or colors. And that's it. Go to Amazon, open Account and Lists, choose your lists, select your list, use the drop-down arrow, and pick Purchased to see exactly what's been bought.